Hey guys and girls, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best AirPods and AirPods Pro cases. This list is based on my personal opinion and tons of research, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the AirPod cases in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notifications bell and leave a comment with a hidden word in the video. Once we reach 1,000 likes, we will pick a winner and notify him. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best AirPods and AirPods Pro cases on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the XDoria Defense Trek Case for Apple AirPods. The XDoria Defense Trek Case has a tough polycarbonate shell and an anodized aluminum frame that looks incredibly cool. There are several colors to pick from: black, silver, red, and an eye-catching iridescent finish. The case is compatible with all wireless chargers, and it even has a cutout for the charging light of the AirPods case. It comes with a removable carabiner for attaching it to a bag. XDoria offers a Defense Trek variant for the AirPods Pro as well. Number 9. Zenpod Spinning Case for AirPods. The Zenpod case by Air Vinyl Design sets itself apart from all other entries on this list with a built-in spinner. By keeping your hands occupied while rocking out, the latter will add a whole new level of interaction with your favorite earbuds. The case is made from high-quality, genuine leather. You can order it in black with a matching or contrasting silver spinner, or brown with a silver spinner. An option for the AirPods Pro is also available. Coming at number 8, Monocarbon Carbon Case for AirPods Pro. As its name suggests, this protective case for the AirPods Pro is made using genuine carbon fiber, a high-tech material that's cool looking, durable, and lightweight in equal measure. The accessory weighs less than 1/3 of an ounce, and it's less than 1 millimeter thick. It's also compatible with wireless charging. You can order the monocarbon case with a glossy or matte finish. It's worth noting that the cover lacks a carabiner for attaching it to a bag or a jacket. A variant for the regular AirPods is also available. Coming at number 7, Catalyst Waterproof Case for AirPods Pro. This case by Catalyst will not only make your AirPods Pro fully waterproof, but also impact resistant. The accessory can protect your earbuds against drops of up to 4 feet according to its maker. It comes bundled with a carabiner, so you can attach them to a bag or a jacket. Thanks to a clever sealing setup with an IP67 rating, the case will make the AirPods Pro waterproof up to 3.3 feet. Catalyst offers the cover in black, navy, or red. A waterproof case for the regular AirPods is also available. Number 6. Pila Case for AirPods. Manufactured from an eco-friendly, plant-based material, this protective case by Pila is a favorite of ours because it will be equally kind to your AirPods and the environment. I like that the accessory is 100% compostable. Like all Pila products, it comes in a plastic-free packaging that's made from recycled paper. The case is as tough as it is eco-friendly. According to Pila, it can protect the buds from drops of up to 12 feet. The case is available for the AirPods and the AirPods Pro in a multitude of colors: black, honey, lavender, cantaloupe, and 2 shades of green. Coming at number 5, In-Case Clear Case for Apple AirPods. If you are looking to protect and showcase your AirPods, this clear in-case offering is your best option. It's made from a durable polycarbonate, so it offers dependable protection against scratches and light drops. The impressively thin accessory is compatible with wireless charging. A variant for the AirPods Pro is also available. Coming at number 4, UAG Rugged Case for AirPods. This UAG offering is our favorite rugged case for protecting your AirPods or AirPods Pro. This utilitarian accessory has been designed to meet military drop test standards, and thanks to a lightning port cover, it can also protect the buds from dust and moisture. This case has a removable carabiner that can attach to your everyday bag. You can order it in several colors, including this attention commanding orange option. Number 3. Nomad Rugged Case for Apple AirPods. This Nomad case is crafted using high-quality Horween leather, so it will instantly transform your AirPods or AirPods Pro into a bespoke accessory. The accessory will also develop a cool-looking patina over time, thus ensuring that no other case looks the same. Available in black or brown, the cover will reliably protect the AirPods from damage. It has a two-piece construction and an interior with microfiber lining to protect the earbuds' glossy charging case from scratches. The case is also compatible with wireless charging. Coming at number 2, Spigen Rugged Armored Case for Apple AirPods. Priced around $15, the Spigen Rugged Armored Case is our favorite option for protecting Apple AirPods on the cheap. It offers a cool design with carbon fiber-like accents, a slim fit, a solid protection against scratches and drops. The accessory is compatible with wireless charging, and it comes bundled with a carabiner. Spigen offers a rugged armored case for the AirPods Pro as well. Number 1. Native Union Curve Case. The reasonably priced Native Union Curve Case is our favorite AirPods Pro case because of its textured finish. The latter not only looks characterful, but it will also protect the earbuds from accidentally slipping out of your hand. The case is made from high-quality silicone, so it offers excellent protection against scratches or drops. The accessory is compatible with wireless chargers. You can order it in black, navy, or pink. Native Union offers a curved case variant for regular AirPods as well. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best AirPods and AirPods Pro cases. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments, what is your favorite one? And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.